What's up mga kuya? Welcome back to the Techie Games, and today I have with me is the Plextone 4Life True Wireless Earbuds, not gaming headset. I mean, technically they do advertise this as made for gaming, so yeah. And this is kind of an unexpected video. I wasn't expecting on getting this specifically, so I was expecting on getting the Plextone G800, but yeah, this is what we have today. And yeah, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of this today. And of course, if you guys are interested in this, then you can check out the link in the description. You can buy this at Lazada or at Shopee for $999, basically 1,000 pesos. So over here we have low latency, half-in-ear fit, Bluetooth 5.0, and custom sound, which I don't know what that means, but yeah. So at the top of the box we have here where half-in-ear fit, low latency free play games, and 4.2 lightweight single side, which I think each earbud weighs 4.2 grams. And at the bottom of the box, as you can see, I have the red color option, so this is available also in blue and in green. And at the back we have the different specifications, so Bluetooth 5.0, a frequency response of 20 to 20,000 hertz, 8 meters of Bluetooth distance, charging time is about 1.5 hours, 8 to 10 hours of well, it's at 40% volume, so it will last you 8 to 10 hours if you're at 40% volume. So I would assume around 6 hours, 6+ hours of usage at maybe 70% volume. Standby time of 100 hours. And sadly, the case only has micro USB. I was expecting the charging port to be USB Type-C, but oh well, let's go ahead and open this. So yeah, packaging wise, it's really simple for the most part. Yeah, so here we have the case itself, and then the earbuds that's actually not in the case, so yeah, let's set aside for now. And yeah, we have the micro USB charging cable, 2 shark fin tips, so it will stay better in your ear, so yeah. And also we have the quick start guide, and then I believe this is the warranty card, so you do get a 1-year warranty with this. Okay, so these are the Plextone 4Life wireless earbuds. So the earbuds themselves are a bit big and beefy for what I was expecting, but yeah. And when I actually first got this, I thought that these were the Sabat X12, which really look similar to these. So it looks like that we do have physical buttons instead of touch-sensitive ones, so that's also kind of a disappointment, but yeah. So over here we have the left and right indicators, the gold contact points for charging. We actually have 2 holes for sound to come out of, so I'm guessing one is for the low frequencies and the other is for the mids and highs. I'm not sure, but yeah. So this is how the red color option looks again. And yeah, checking out the case, so we have 4Life written here at the top, and then it's pretty much a matte finish for the bottom part. Like the top part or the cover is well, it's not glossy, but it's not the same texture as the bottom part. So we have the micro USB charging port here at the back of the case, and we actually do have 4 holes here, which I think are LED indicators. And by the way, just one thing that I've noticed right out of the box is that the earbuds themselves and the case feel cheap. So kind of a disappointment for 1,000 pesos. But if the sound quality, latency, and battery life are good, then yeah, I can't really complain much. So they do advertise this with a 120 millisecond delay or latency. So let's try to put this here. I believe this goes here, yeah. Then here, so basically they're charging right now, and it said that it does take 1.5 hours to charge the earbuds themselves. I'm not sure with the case itself. So the 4 holes at the back are indeed a battery level indicator, so yeah. And I'm just going to try pairing this with my phone real quick. At medyo nagbabalik nga po tayo mga kuya. So apparently para ma-pair yung earbuds themselves, the Plextone 4Life, is kailangan nakatanggal mismo sa charging case yung earbuds para ma-detect siya ng device nyo. And it is detected as BT only. So yeah, I'm just going to test these out and come back to you guys in a bit. A few moments later, at nagbabalik nga po tayo mga kuya. So I've been testing the Plextone 4Life True Wireless Earbuds for a bit. So when it comes to listening to music, sound is well balanced for the most part, the mids, highs, and lows. Loudness is also another thing that I can really commend about this. Like, it gets disturbingly loud. At max volume, it does get distorted quite a bit, but yeah, for the most part, the mids, highs, and lows are well balanced. And I actually do recommend using the shark fin tips with these, as this won't stay secure in your ears without them. And yeah, this is how they look when wearing them, so yeah. And here's the latency test when watching videos and playing something like PUBG Mobile. And for the functions, you can tap either of the earbuds to play, pause, answer, and end calls. Press the left earbud twice to go to the previous song. Press the right earbud twice to go to the next song. Press the left earbud 3 times to decrease volume, and press the right earbud 3 times to increase volume. So really, my only main gripe with this is the build quality. So they do feel cheap. The earbuds themselves, also the case, the charging case. And if you were actually planning on buying this for gaming, for mobile games, or maybe even pairing this with your PC, then yeah, no. I wouldn't recommend these for gaming. If you do want good earphones or earbuds for gaming, then I just recommend the Plextone G20s, which of course I reviewed before. And of course, this offers you basically zero latency. Latency, as you saw, is really significant, and yeah, I just wouldn't recommend this if you were planning on buying this for gaming. But if you're just looking for good sounding pair of true wireless earbuds, then yeah, I can easily recommend this. But I feel like there are better alternatives in the market right now in this price point, and yeah, I'll leave my other recommendations in the description, of course. But of course, if you guys want to buy the Plextone 4Life true wireless earbuds, then yeah, I'll just leave the link in the description. And hopefully you found this video helpful. Of course, leave a like if you did, dislike if you feel like you have to, consider subscribing, and of course turn on notifications, mga kuya, to be updated on my latest videos, kasi eto nga, sayang, di ba? And yeah, hopefully I didn't forget anything. So of course, as always, bookmark and use my Lazada affiliate link pag bumibili kayo sa Lazada. Watch me on my Shopee lives where I talk about random shiz. Donate to my PayPal also to support the channel. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter for other updates and announcements. And of course, mga kuya, stay safe, stay indoors, stay healthy, get some sunlight and get some exercise. Drink your vitamins, especially vitamin C. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.